given line M that passes through points 1, 3, and 4, 9, while line N passes through 2, 5, and -2, -3, determine whether these lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So how are we going to determine whether the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither? So all we have to do is solve for the slopes of the lines. So when the slopes of those two lines are equal, then that means the lines are parallel. But if their slopes, if one of the slopes is the negative reciprocal of the other one, that means the lines are perpendicular. If none is parallel nor perpendicular, then the answer is neither. Or none of the slopes are equal nor the negative reciprocal of the other slope, then that means it's neither parallel nor perpendicular. So let's solve for the slope of the first line, which is line M. By using the slope formula, which is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, so we can solve for the value of the slope for each line. So for line M, its slope is, let's say this point is x1, y1, and the other point is x2, y2. This one. So that would be 9 minus 3 over 4 minus 1. So this is just 6 over 3. Therefore, the slope of line M is just equal to 2. Now let's solve for the slope of line N. So that would be -3 minus 5 over -2 minus 2. So this is -8 over -4. So that means the slope of line N is also equal to 2. So the slopes here are equals. That means the two lines are parallel. Okay, another problem here. One line is passing through the points -7, 0 and -1, -12. Another line is passing through -1, 1 and -15, -6. Tell whether these lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Okay, so let's solve for the slopes of these two lines by using the slope formula again. So the slope of the first line is -12 minus 0 over -1 minus -7. So this is -12 over 6. So this is -2. And now let's solve for the slope of the second line. So the slope of line 2 is -6 minus 1 over -15 minus -1. So this is -7 over -14. So this is -15 plus 1. So this is just 1/2. So the slopes here are not equal, therefore the lines aren't parallel. But the slope of the second line is the negative reciprocal of the first line. Therefore, line 1 is perpendicular to line 2. So the lines are perpendicular.